Got vision, ideas like fire. The coder's joking, hiding his wires. I'm the engineer, calm and clear. I see their sparks, but also their fears. We draft the engine, we sketch the frame. The lead keeps pace, he's ahead of the game. But behind me, I feel that silent fall. The coder's lost, no words at all. Perfect's a shadow, I chase it alone. But working code brings us all home. I don't need your flawless design. Just show me you're trying and we'll be fine. 2 weeks left and the screen is bare. My hope flickers low, but I still care. I could fix it alone, I could rewrite it all, but I give the coder a chance to stand tall. I hope he sees more than failure's wrath, that these lines I write could show him a path. Functions like bridges, comments like a light, guiding his way through the endless night.